Hi, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect an AWS S3 bucket to Callaba so you can transfer your video files to it. To connect Callaba with S3, we'll need three things: S3 bucket URL, an access key, and a secret key. So our first step is to obtain the keys that I mentioned. We'll do that by creating an IAM user. Open your AWS Management Console and search for IAM. Once you're there, click on Users and create a new user. Type a name, click Next. Select Attach Policies directly. In the search box, type Amazon S3 Full Access. Select the policy from the list. Click Next. Click Create User. Okay, great, halfway there. Now let's create a key pair. Open your new user. Click Create Access Key. Pick Third-Party Service. Tick the confirmation checkbox below. Okay, next. Click Create Access Key. In the page that opens, copy your access and your secret key and save them somewhere safe. You'll only see secret key once, so don't skip this step. We're done here. Our next objective is to get an Amazon S3 bucket URL. If you already have a bucket, you can copy the URL from any file inside it. Alternatively, you can compose the URL using your bucket name and its region. But in case you don't have a bucket, let's create one. Go to Amazon S3 and click Create Bucket. Name your bucket and adjust settings. I'm going to do it quickly here. Now that we have a bucket, we know its name and the region it's located in. With this information, we can compose the bucket URL, like this. Now that we have all of the needed info, let's connect our Amazon S3 bucket to Callaba. Open Callaba dashboard and navigate to Storages, Create New. Then, paste in the bucket URL, the access key, and the secret key. If needed, you can also set up a metadata database, but that's optional. Once you're done, save your storage. And that's it. Your AWS S3 bucket is now connected to Callaba, and you're ready to start transferring files. Thank you for watching. Try Callaba on AWS or install customizable self-hosted version.